I went with Parkview Law because it was recommended to me by a friend. I liked Parkview Law because they kept in touch with me and let me know how things were advancing and progressing. I was able to accomplish several things. The liens were released from my credit report. Also, some of the other possibly negative reports were eliminated, and I was able to secure the mortgage that I wanted for my home. If I had a friend that needed the same type of services, I would refer them to Parkview because we were easy to work with. Parkview was considerate and of the conditions that I was working with. They worked hard to solve the problem, and the problem got solved.